What you're about to see is me accidentally catching my personal best bass. This happened on a solo camping trip in Algonquin Park, where I was fishing all weekend since I could only eat what I could catch. On this trip, I caught plenty of good eating fish.
There's dinner.
And even lost a couple that would have been good.
Oh no!
At the end of my trip, I decided to try and fish for trout one last time, only to accidentally hook into what I would later find out was an absolute unit.
Oh my goodness, it's my PB bass.
Please take this time to click the subscribe button down below and make sure to stick around to the end of this video because you don't want to miss this catch. That's a fishy. Come here.
Now that's what I'm talking about. There's dinner. I'll get 2 real nice fillets out of this guy. Now the thing is, honestly, I'm not that hungry. Unironically, finally catch a fish and I don't even want to eat it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna string him up here, tie him to these roots, and let's hope he's there in the morning. There we have it. Tied up there, somewhere down there. And let's hope he's still there in the morning.
And in fact, it was still there, which made for an amazing breakfast/lunch. On this trip, I had lots of fishing action, so the next little bit will be a compilation of all the fish I caught, leading all the way up to my PB.
The rain is rolling in. I guess I start heading back. I'm gonna get soaked here. Oh yeah. Question is, do I stay out? Where's this rain coming from? Where's the cloud? Well, I didn't know it was gonna do this. It's refreshing though. Alright, well, it's not raining that heavy and it should pass in about 10 minutes. I mean, the entire sky is clear. It's just this one section of cloud. It's already stopping. Well, I guess I'll do some more fishing from the bank here until it clears up. Maybe go back out. We'll see. There's a fish on the little jig and a fake worm. Look at that. Now that's what I'm talking about. See, I switched it over to a more of a finesse thing. The spinner wasn't working and I tossed this in the exact same spot as the spinner. Just let it bounce along the bottom. And I caught this guy. Try some more on the same setup here. Oh, there's a big one. Man, this finesse jig doing wonders. Man, if this was real survival, I wouldn't go hungry, that's for sure. I'm gonna throw around this silver one. It used to be blue and silver until the blue paint rubbed off. There's one. There's one. Is this my first splake? My first trout? If it is, it's very small. Whoa. Oh no! It was though. Damn it! Alright. That was maybe a lake trout. I don't think it was a splake. The colors on it looks like a lake trout. I knew the silver would work. Alright, let's go in the shore. Let's throw a couple at the bass. Let's see if bass will bite this spoon. That's a fish. Not the biggest one, doesn't feel like. Oh, not bad size. Hold on now. He's going under the boat. Not a bad size on the spoon. Not a bad size at all. Holy. Might be the same size as the one yesterday. Ah, boom. That's what I'm talking about. Yeah, it's about the same size as the one I had this morning for breakfast. Yeah. Now I would keep him, but that's a whole lot of prep work to get this guy ready to eat. So back to the water. Ooh, look at this fish though. Hold on, let me take a good look at him. Not bad. It's about 5 pounds right there. Alright, go, be free. Alright, let's call it there. Let's leave it on a good note. Alrighty, got the fire going. And that's basically it. Tonight I enjoy the fire. Tomorrow morning pack up. Hopefully everything's not wet. Hopefully that thunder stays over there. So yeah, I'm just gonna chill out until the morning.
The next and final day of my trip, I packed up my things and started to head out, but it was still bothering me that I couldn't land a trout even after hours of trying. So with the same silver spoon, I fished at the edge of a cliff drop-off where it all happens. That's a fish. I want to keep him down on not losing this one. Oh, it's a big one too. Oh my goodness. It's my PB bass. Oh my. What the hell? I'm getting blood all over. He's bleeding so badly. Oh no. What do I do? Of course. Guys, I hooked him right in the gills. And my pliers are all the way at the back bottom of my bag. Oh, I got it. Oh, I'm not losing him. He's bleeding so badly, but holy shit. Look, I'm gonna put him right against my body. Look how big this bass is. That is absolutely insane. I don't even want to know how heavy it is. I don't have my scale. But he or she's a monster. I don't want to keep him out of the water too long. He's already bleeding a lot, hopefully. I hate that I hooked him on the gills so bad, but I mean, I have no choice. Well, it's not even my choice, never mind. I hope he could survive that. Oh man, I can't believe I just caught that. That's insane. Just cleaning up the rest of the blood here. I'm recording, right? I better have been. Nobody would believe me. Nobody would believe me. Alright, let's get out of the weeds here. What a weekend for fishing. Just catching fish after fish. And that monster at the end here.